Most businesses have a website, but the real question is your website helping your business grow? Most websites simply display information and hope someone calls, books an appointment, or buys something. The truth is, businesses don't need a website. They need a smart website. A smart website is different. It works for you 24 hours a day by helping visitors find information, answering questions, capturing leads, and guiding people to the next step. The good thing is, it works with any type of business. Most websites have an FAQ page. The problem is that people don't want to spend time scrolling through dozens of questions hoping to find the answer they need. Let me introduce you to the Smart Search. Visitors simply ask their question in plain English or in any language and instantly receive the information they're looking for. They can type their own questions here or click one of the suggested questions to get started. For example, this is our company, Monetize Your Future. What do? We help business build their own smart websites, mobile apps, etc. So now let's say that I am a dental office, and instead of me reading through the whole website of monetizeyourfuture.com, I just want to know exactly how they can help my dental office. Not all businesses, but my dental office, right? So what can I do? So all I do, I come here and say, how can you help my dental office? And I click search. So let's see. As you can see, is not the answer that it gives me is not general. It say your dental office. So specifically it's talking to your business. It's not talking to all businesses in general. So if I have a dental office, I'm not asking about an e-commerce business. I'm asking about a dental office. So it's telling me how Monetize Your Future, which is the company, our company, can help you, the dental office, with your dental office, specifically telling you about your dental office. So the problem with the other regular FAQs that they only talk about general businesses, right? But this one specifically telling you about how they can help, how we can help, how monetizeyourfuture.com can help with your business, right? So you can see it specifically say I can help your dental office, and it tells you exactly how we can help your business. Okay? And now the good thing about this is that, like I said earlier, you can use another language. You don't have to just type in English. You can type in any language that you need. So let's try to see how it can help in Spanish, right? So let's see. Let's see. And again, it answered me in Spanish. That is amazing. Again, most websites they just in one specific language. And sometimes if someone else speaks another language, if a visitor speaks another language, they cannot find the information, they just leave, right? But no matter what other language that the visitor speaks, the smart search will be able to help. Now let's try another language. Let's try French. And again, as you can see, yes, it does speak French. It speaks any language that you want, meaning that there will not be any language barrier anymore, right? So also, instead of making visitors search through pages of content, the website delivers the answer instantly. So this is one great feature about a smart website. Now, let's look at my favorite feature. Meet Alex, our smart chat and voice assistant. Okay? Keep in mind that if you get a smart chat or a voice assistant from us, you can name it however you want. You can give it a male voice, a female voice, whatever voice you prefer, and whatever name you prefer. Okay, now as you can see, this is much more than a traditional chatbot. Most chatbots only answer a few basic questions. Alex can have a real conversation. You can type your questions or simply click the microphone and speak naturally. For example, let's talk to Alex. Let me go ahead and click on this microphone and I'm gonna talk to Alex and see what he says. Let's go.
Hi, welcome to Monetize Your Future. I'm Alex, your virtual business consultant. What can I help you with today?
Hi, Alex. I own a bakery. How can you help me
Hi.
grow my business?
Absolutely. For a bakery, the biggest opportunities are usually getting more local orders, making it easier for customers to ask questions, and reducing time spent on repeated calls or messages. A smart website can help customers quickly find your menu, hours, location, and ordering details. And if you want, we can also add tools that help people ask questions or book orders more easily. What's the biggest challenge for your bakery right now?
As you can hear, Alex responds just like a real business consultant. Now, let's make it even more interesting.
Hi, welcome to Monetize Your Future. I'm Alex, your virtual business consultant. What can I help you with today?
Hi, Alex. I don't speak English. Can you speak Chinese?
可以，我可以用中文和你交流。请告诉我你的业务需求，我会尽量用简单清楚的中文帮你。
Again, Alex switches to Chinese. Okay, now let's try to see if Alex can answer me in German. Let's go.
Hi, welcome to Monetize Your Future. I'm Alex, your virtual business consultant. What can I help you with today?
Hi, Alex. Can you speak German?
Ja, absolut. Ich kann auf Deutsch sprechen. Wie kann ich Ihnen heute helfen?
That is amazing. We can see that Alex can communicate in multiple languages. What does that mean for your business? That means visitors don't have to struggle with English. If they don't speak English, that's fine. They will always find the information that they are looking for. And let's say that they just want to type their question instead of talking to Alex, they feel more comfortable typing the question. Again, let's see. Let me see what it says. As you can see, it gives me all the information that I need. And again, you can type in another language, and Alex will also answer in another language. So why is this important? This is very important because your visitors will feel understood. That will remove language barriers and allows businesses to serve a much wider audience without hiring. Okay, so you can see Alex can do a lot. Alex is amazing. Alex can answer detailed questions about your business. Alex can explain your services. Alex can recommend the right solution. Alex can qualify leads. Alex can even schedule appointment. Now let's see how Alex can schedule appointment. Let's go back and call Alex and schedule an appointment. Again, you can type and schedule the appointment, or you can call Alex and schedule the appointment. But let's go ahead and call Alex to schedule the appointment. Let's click on the microphone. Let's go.
Hi, welcome to Monetize Your Future. I'm Alex, your virtual business consultant. What can I help you with today?
Hi, Alex. I just want to schedule an appointment, please.
I'm opening the booking calendar now. Please choose a time that works best for you.
That is amazing. Now, what happened is that your visitors don't have to scroll through your whole website to see how they can schedule an appointment. They can schedule an appointment directly from Alex, right? So again, as you can hear, Alex talk to me like a regular person. He gives me all the information that I needed, and he even open the calendar for me to choose the time that will be good for me to schedule my appointment. And also, one thing that I forgot to show you, you can also schedule an appointment in the Smart Search. Let me show you. Now let's see how it works. And again, as you can see, it pulled out the booking calendar for me. So I can choose the time and book my appointment. This is amazing. Alex, this smart website can do a lot. It can also recommend your service, and customers can buy from them without going through everything. For example, let's say that you own an e-commerce. Okay, so the visitors can come to either Alex, or I'm just gonna call it Alex because this is what mine is called. But again, yours can be customized to whatever name you want. But let me say Alex. So now let's say that they can come to Alex and they say, "Hi Alex, I would like this and this and this and this." And then Alex will recommend the right product for them. And then once they have the right product, if they like it, Alex can go ahead and tell them, "Hey, would you like me to put it in your cart?" And then boom, it's gonna be in the customer's cart. Easy as ABC. And this is amazing. This is great. As you can see, can do a lot of things based on what you offer. If you want Alex to book an appointment, again, he can book an appointment. He can qualify your leads. Anything he can sell for you, anything that you need, Alex will do it for you. What does that mean? Nothing gets lost. So now, if they're not ready, let's say that if someone isn't ready to schedule a meeting yet, Alex can just collect their name, email, and phone number so your team can follow up with them. Okay? Alex always want to make sure that nothing gets lost. That's what a smart website is about. Always want to make sure that you get or your visitors to move forward with your company. And that's how you will not lose anything. That's how a smart website will help your business grow. Now, what's the difference between a smart search and a smart chat and voice assistant? In this case, Alex, right? Okay, that's a very good question that we want to know the difference between a smart search and a smart chat and voice assistant. Okay, so a smart search is designed to help visitors quickly find information that's already available on your website. Think of it as an intelligent search engine for your website. It gives quick answers and helps people navigate your content. Okay? On the other end, Alex, which is the smart chat and voice assistant, goes much further. Instead of simply searching your website, Alex has an actual conversation. Alex understands each person's situation, asks follow up questions, provides personalized recommendations, qualify leads, and helps move people towards becoming customers. In other words, a smart search helps visitors find information, and a smart chat and voice assistant like Alex helps visitors make decisions. Okay, so the smart chat and the voice assistant will help your visitors make the decision. It depends on what your decision is. Do you want it to capture leads? Do you want it to help the visitors book appointment? Do you want to recommend specific products so help the visitor put it in their cart? It depends on whatever you want it to do, and it will do it for you automatically. Okay? Why do you need a smart website? Well, because every unanswered question and every visitor who leaves your website without taking action is a potential customer you may never get back. So, a smart website helps prevent that. Instead of your website simply existing online, it actively works to grow your business. It answers questions, guides visitors, captures leads, books appointments, supports your customers, and continues working even when you're asleep, on vacation, or your office is closed. Whether you're a dentist, attorney, contractor, medical practice, real estate agency, tattoo studio, restaurant, or any business, we customize every smart website specifically for your business. Businesses are not the same, so your website shouldn't be either. Ready to see what a smart website could do for your business? Schedule your free 15-minute consultation. We'll learn about your business, show you exactly how these solutions can fit into your workflow, and recommend the best setup for your goals. You'll discover how to capture more leads, reduce repetitive work, service customers in multiple languages, never miss another opportunity, save time, lower operating costs, and grow your business with a website working for you 24 hours a day. We look forward to helping you build a website that doesn't just look great, but it will help your business grow.